A learning program is a learning program, but clients across the world, across industry, keep on coming back to Bain Academy. This is not meant to be a pure academic experience. The programs are always fit for purpose. We always start with strategy. So what are the outcomes that our clients need to hit? Working backwards from that, we then go figure out what are the skills that are needed. Then the entire learning experience is designed around those results. Imagine you're going to a cooking session. You could either watch someone demoing the cooking, or you could have someone sitting next to you showing you how to pick up the knife, how to chop it, how to make sure you're adjusting the right amount based on the ingredients that you have in your pantry. This is what Bain Academy does. We want to make sure we're using the ingredients that you have in your own kitchen so that after we finish cooking this for the first time, that you can keep on doing it yourself.